Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your widgets on MacBook, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So in order to edit your widgets, please go to the top right corner and click on the date or on the time, and then here it will appear your widgets, and you can see here the edit widgets option. Click on that, and with this minus you can delete your widgets, and if you click on this plus, then you can add different widgets. If you scroll down, you can see what kind of widgets are here, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.